Enhancement number 9 saw us do a lot of work on the back end of our website. The biggest thing we did for the front end was just add a view or add to our product display views a section that displays the thumbnail image. I'll go ahead and show how that looks now. If we go ahead and click Canon and check Anvil, you can see that the Anvil thumbnail is also displayed in the product view. This is true for all products inside the view as demonstrated below. TNT, you'll see, has two different images in the thumbnail view, thus plural thumbnails. This is because two images exist in the database, or rather two references to the image exist in the database that correspond to this particular item's inventory ID. The way we built our functions, or the way rather that I built my function and built my database, allowed me to be able to pull both of these thumbnails and display them through a builder function that was made earlier. So you can see this is the case for all products. Thumbnail exists. If we go to Trap, the only other one that has two currently is Anvil. Now we'll go ahead and check the size of the images to make sure that they correspond. The larger image should not go past 500 pixels. We see that to be true. And the smaller images should not go past 200 pixels each. And that also remains to be true. That's because we had, during our study session, a section of code which went through and would resize the images as they were re-uploaded or as future images were uploaded. This image in particular, not the thumbnail, but the larger version, was initially over 2,000 pixels large. It was resized accordingly. Now we'll validate that our HTML and CSS are valid. CSS has no errors. We'll open up and validate our HTML for this view. No errors to show. Now we'll take a look at the database. Here's our images table. Each image will have both the large and thumbnail size, and each one will also have a linked inventory ID. All products that have two or more thumbnails displayed in the product view will have more than just two inventory ID references, or rather two thumbnail images because they're linked through inventory ID. Anvil, for example, had another picture, 55-pound antique anvil, which has the same inventory ID. The function that we built in our model will find all the items with inventory ID 8 in this case, or in the case of the anvil page, and will then find the thumbnail version of it, utilizing the like operator. Once we find the thumbnail version, then it displays that to the product view. This is also true for our TNT page. As you can see, TNT and dynamite.png both have the same inventory ID, and both of the thumbnail pictures were displayed. That concludes the enhancement, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.